looking at a car that you're going to be bidding on, you're going to want to own this car. This is a 1967 Shelby GT 350, professionally reproduced and restored. This car, you're going to be able to save almost $30,000 and not have to wait 3 years to have this built. Let's kind of take a little walk around this car, and then we're going to go for test drives. So it's finished in dove gray with the white Shelby stripes. Got the full power canvas top. Let me open up the hood for you. It's a little tricky, but I will. Got a turbocharged 363 stroker engine. The builder reports it to be at 750 horsepower. I'm being conservative, probably close to 600, at least 600. But you notice we've got the vintage air system here, got the serpentine belt. Back there you'll see that it's got the Willwood system, which powers all 4 disc brakes all the way around. And I'm going to kind of focus in on that for you. So we've got Willwood's front and back. So like I said, power top, fully loaded, brand new gauges. This car is all modern with navigation, backup camera, LED lights. Take a look at the sound system. So you're gonna love cruising around. We've got dual Mustang amps. We've got the focal speakers back here. Everything has been professionally done. Look at the fit and finish back here. This is all custom made. Again, this car, you're saving $30,000, maybe even $40,000 if you wanted to have one like this built. It just doesn't exist. So let's wrap this up as we walk around a little bit more. We're going to go for a little test drive. Check out 995 miles. Look at these RPM gauges. We've got a full array here. We've got a Pioneer system with navigation, backup camera. We've got a pistol grip 5-speed shifter mounted to the TKO transmission. Again, vintage air, power top, power windows. This car is loaded. Got the Pioneer navigation firing up. Let's see if I can put it in reverse for you. Got the full backup camera. Got power windows. Okay, so let's wrap this up. Again, you're bidding on an amazing 1967 Shelby GT 350 that would take you at least 3 years to build one like this, and you'd spend at least another $30,000. So call us today, 301. My name is Scott. 301-816-1000. Or let's have an email chat. Thanks.